Hello, my name is Framerate. I'm a colorist from Germany and I welcome you to ShotCompare tutorial part 3. This short video explains how to use ShotCompare for online reviews and approvals the same way as if the customer were in your grading studio. Our goal is to let the customer see what we see. Therefore, a great advantage of working in the studio is the ability to present your work. The original material is compared with the grading. In this way, the customer sees exactly the added value. And this is where ShotCompare comes in. Just like in the grading studio, ShotCompare has the side-by-side function with a slider line. To switch between before and after, the colorist uses the bypass function. ShotCompare also provides this function to switch the view between before and after. And now let's prepare and export our scene. For the ShotCompare format we need both a before and an after video. So we export a version including our work, in this case our gradings, and a version without it. You can choose whether you want to export directly in a format that the SC player supports, or if you want to have more control over the encoding process, use external software, for example HandBrake. If your editing software has a YouTube export preset, you can use that. But basically, standard MP4 H.264 works well. In my case, I go the longer route and export my exported sequence using HandBrake. I simply drag and drop my before video to import it to the software. Make sure to use the correct settings to remain the quality. Because I only need a visual comparison, I deselect audio here. It's important that both videos either have audio or not. Don't mix it up, because the videos may not be syncable in the ShotCompare player later. After the encoding process, we are able to upload our videos. So now we got the scene that the client asked for ready to upload to shotcompare.com. From this point on, it's straightforward. If you aren't logged in already, do so. ShotCompare shows the differences of two videos, and this can be used as a fact, like a proof to tell someone, you see, this is what we got and that's what we made of it. No need to convince somebody with words, just show them. By using ShotCompare, our client was able to comprehend our work and maintain control over the decision making, especially at significant points that were particularly important to him. The customer's response was very positive. The communication process was made easier and independent of time and location. ShotCompare enables better and faster decisions, and the client would be happy to use the same tool next time.